Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung storage full error in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is actually check your device storage. For that, simply head over to your notifications panel, head over to your quick settings from there. From there, what you can do is search for storage, or you can look for storage. I'm just going to search for storage. Simply hit storage. Once you've hit storage, what you can do is check what is occupying how much of space. From here, you can tap on images to delete any large size or repeated images. You can also delete any videos, audio files, documents, or apps that may be causing too much trouble on your device. You can also try deleting duplicate files and large files from your settings itself, which will also significantly reduce the amount of storage used on your device. However, if you do not have many apps, photos, or videos on your device and your internal storage is almost full, what you can do is factory reset your device. For that, what you'll have to do is head over to the search bar in settings one more time and then head over to reset. Once you're inside reset, you must head over to reset again and then hit factory data reset and reset your device. But before doing this, make sure to back up all the files that you have on your mobile device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.